Xiaomi announced its Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 2021 phone. On the occasion of the regular Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 achieving more than 25 million copies sold around the world. So Xiaomi developed the processor and issued the phone back in 2021. Let's get acquainted with the full specifications of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 2021 phone. What are its most important advantages and disadvantages, and is it worth buying at the present time? We advise you to go to another version of the competing phones and the latest currently for every time and its remarkable development, so let's review it from during the following as follows. But before we start, please do not forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. The phone weighs 190 grams. The durability and quality of the materials used in the manufacture of the phone come with a glass back, while the frame comes from plastic. The screen comes in the form of a notch, in the form of a dot drop, with an area of 6.3 inches of IPS type, with a quality of 1080 x 2340 pixels, at a pixel density of 409 pixels per inch, with a protection layer on the phone, of the type Corning Gorilla Glass 5th generation, to protect the screen from breakage and scratching, with the screen support for display dimensions 19.5:9 ratio, for a better display, while watching videos and playing games, with full screen compatibility for the dark mode with the availability of more than one other screen mode such as reading mode and sunlight mode. It comes with storage space 64GB and 4GB RAM. The phone supports the ability to increase storage space via a memory card in a separate port up to 256GB. As for performance, the phone comes with a MediaTek Helio G85 processor with 12 nano technology with a Mali G52 graphics processor, which is the same processor found in the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 and Infinix Note 10. The front camera comes with a 13 megapixel camera with an 2.0 lens slot. The rear camera comes with a quad camera, where the first camera comes with a 48 megapixel camera with an 1.8 lens slot. Second camera comes with an 8 megapixel camera with an 2.2 lens slot. Third camera, macro camera, comes with a 2 megapixel with 2.4 lens slot. Fourth camera, the isolation camera, it comes with a 2 megapixel. The phone supports shooting videos in full HD quality with a resolution of 1080 pixels at a capture rate of 30 frames per second and also supports shooting in HD quality of 720 pixels at a capture rate of 30 frames per second, with the phone supporting slow motion shooting at a capture rate of 120 frames per second. The phone supports an additional microphone for noise isolation while using the phone in general. Supports the 3.5mm headphone jack. Infrared supports remote control of electrical appliances via your phone. Security and protection means. The phone supports the fingerprint sensor and is built into the back of the phone and also supports the face unlock feature. The phone also supports most other sensors. It supports the accelerometer, proximity, compass and gyroscope sensor for running VR glasses on your phone. The USB port comes from the latest Type-C and also supports the OTG feature for running any USB driver on your phone. The battery comes with a capacity of 4000 mAh with support for fast charging of 18 watts. The operating system comes with Android 11. Disadvantages of Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 2021. Earbuds are not included in the phone box. The front camera still did not provide the best performance in the price category, and you can improve the performance by downloading Google Camera app. It does not support 4K quality photography, unlike the regular Xiaomi Redmi Note 8. Congenital cameras come prominent on the back of the phone, which exposes them to breakage and scratching easily. Weak network. It does not support the feature of making 2 copies of the dual apps communication programs. It did not offer a radical change from the previous Note 8 other than the processor, the latest operating system, and the fastest charger. Advantages of Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 2021. A very excellent glass back with resistance to light water drops, and the phone is considered very distinctive in terms of materials. Supports notification light. The USB port comes from the latest Type-C. It supports 18W fast charging, so you can fully charge the phone in about a quarter of 2 hours. It comes with the latest Android 11 operating system. Supports the IR blaster for controlling electrical appliances through your phone. A large notch screen with full HD plus accuracy provides very acceptable performance, as it is the same screen as the old Redmi Note 8. The processor offers acceptable performance, as we have already tested it on. Subscribe the channel for more, and do not forget likes.